Hi everyone, a very warm welcome to the GHRCE News Desk for 10th March 2024. I am Pratham Golcha, your host for this new episode of the GHRCE News Desk. As all of you have been knowing that we've been doing this for the past 3 years now, almost 3 years now, and every month and every week we have something that goes on in our college. There are a lot of achievements, there are a lot of things that the students keep on doing, or for example the different departments of GHRCE College of Engineering are up to, and it is time for us to take a sneak peek into the latest developments and achievements that have been going on at our end at GHRCE Nagpur. So let's take a look at the latest updates and headlines, beginning with expert talk on design challenges in serial links, locked loop in indigenous SCL CMOS. Industry guest lecture organized by Electronics Department. Patent granted to Electronics Department. NEP treasure hunt organized by first year department. Short-term training program organized by the Department of Information Technology. Expert talk organized by the IT department. Conduction of entrepreneurship awareness workshop Be Your Own Boss on 23rd February 2024 by Dr. Abhay Khalatkar. Face painting competition organized by GHRCE Department of Artificial Intelligence. Talkmasters Club of MBA organized a discussion on AI and employment. The Economic Times Club of MBA organized an event focused on the financial budget. NSS Special Camp 2024 held by NSS Cell of GHRCE College of Engineering, Nagpur from 14th to 20th of February 2024. The Department of Electronics Engineering organized an expert talk on design challenges in serial links by Dr. Saurabh Saxena, Associate Professor, Department of Electrical Engineering, IIT Madras on 29th January 2024. Activity was coordinated by Professor Rucha Jijkar in the presence of Dr. Lakshman Thakre. Industry guest lecture organized by the Electronics Department. An industry guest lecture was organized for the 6th semester electronics students by industry expert Dr. Karamjeet Singh, Product Development Engineer, Poly Analytic, Canada, Ontario, under IEEE Students, Branch and Forum, Zenith, on the topic Six Sigma and its importance in the industry on 21st February 2024. The event was coordinated by Dr. Swati Patil. Patent granted to the Electronics faculty. Dr. Vibha Bora, Professor, Electronics Engineering Department, was granted a patent on the topic Automated Head Position Detection in Computer Tomography from Scout Images by the Patent Office, Government of India. NEP treasure hunt organized by the first year department. The treasure hunt event was a fun and exciting event that was organized under the Internal Quality Assurance Cell, that is IQAC, in collaboration with the first year department. The event took place on the 17th of February 2024 at G21 Hall at GHRCE College of Engineering, and it was attended by around 217 participants. The event aimed to spread awareness about the National Education Policy, that is NEP, and provide attendees an opportunity to have fun, bond with each other, and exercise their problem-solving skills, as portrayed by the NEP Sarathi along with first year Food and Faith. Short-term training program organized by the Department of IT. Department of Information Technology Center of Excellence in Information Security and Center of Excellence in Cloud Computing organized a 1-week online short-term training program, that is STTP, on recent trends in cybersecurity and cloud computing during the 5th to 10th February 2024. Expert talks organized by the IT department. An expert talk by international expert Mr. Jitendra Jha, Salesforce Technical Architect, IBM, MVP Johns Creek, Georgia, USA, was organized by the Department of Information Technology of GHRCE College of Engineering on the 2nd of February 2024 for all the students in the department. Another online international talk on vision testing was delivered by expert Mr. Glenn Gifford, licensed creative arts therapist and board certified music therapist, upstate New York, the United States of America, on 13th of February 2024. Conduction of Entrepreneurship Awareness Workshop Be Your Own Boss by Dr. Abhay Khalatkar on 23rd of February 2024. Department of Mechanical Engineering in association with Entrepreneurship Cell GHRCE College of Engineering conducted an orientation workshop on the promotion of entrepreneurship and pitching skills. The title of the program was Be Your Own Boss. There were 75 plus students who participated in the workshop, wherein the speaker Dr. Abhay Khalatkar focused on the facilities available for students of mechanical department for new product development for any startups and other incubation facilities in incubation center. He also briefed the students about the activities of the E-Cell. Face painting competition organized by GHRCE Department of AI. On the 17th of February 2024, the Department Forum of Artificial Intelligence, GHRCE, hosted a face painting competition at venue F1, attracting participants from different departments. This event provided a platform for students to showcase their artistic talents, with Lucky Raut emerging as the winner and Shrutuja securing the position of the first runner-up. Talkmasters Club of MBA organized a discussion on AI and employment. The Talkmaster Club organized a thought-provoking event centered around the theme of artificial intelligence and employment. Attendees engaged in lively discussions and debates exploring the impact of artificial intelligence on job opportunities. The activity was coordinated by Professor Shweta Patel and student in charge Rituja Bass. The Economic Times Club of MBA organized an event focused on the financial budget. The Economic Times Club organized a significant event focused on the financial budget of the financial year 2024-2025. Held on the 3rd of February 2024, the event aims to provide valuable insights as well as an understanding of the budgetary allocations and economic policies to the MBA students. Under the guidance of Mr. Suraj sir, the participating MBA students presented their perspectives on the budget. NSS Special Camp 2024 by NSS Cell of GHRCE College of Engineering, Nagpur from 14th to 20th February 2024. NSS Cell of GHRCE College of Engineering organized the NSS Special Camp at Amgaon, Deori from 14th February to 20th of February, which was truly a defining experience encompassing a diverse array of lessons in teamwork, responsibility, and hard work. The camp commenced with a resplendent inauguration ceremony, setting the stage for a journey filled with hope, excitement, and renewed energy. Many activities like tree plantation drive, visit to village, cleanliness drive, computer literacy program for students of schools, and visit to Vridhashram were conducted by the team. This initiative was carried out by Dr. Mangesh Borkar, NSS Program Officer, along with the NSS volunteers under the valued guidance of Dr. Sachin Untavale, Sir, who is the Director of GHRC, Nagpur. Thank you so much, and we hope that you were enlightened and you got to know about all that has been going on at GHRC and RN for the past few weeks and the past few months. And we hope to see you in the next episode. Until then, it's a goodbye from us.